Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be styling the t-shirt dress multiple ways so you can see how to make it work in your wardrobe. I'm going to be styling the same t-shirt dress throughout the video and giving you options to wear it to work on the weekend. Lots of fun fall inspo. And for this video, this is the t-shirt dress that I'll be wearing. This one is from my recent Walmart try-on haul, so if you're looking for a good affordable dress, I will link this one below, along with other options as well. As always, everything that I style in today's video will be linked in the description box below, and I'll also pin it to the first comment, so if you're on mobile, it'll be super easy for you to find. But don't forget that you can also shop all of these outfits along with more outfit inspiration over on my blog, strawberrychicblog.com. So for this video, I'm going to be staying in this t-shirt dress, and you can basically, get inspired with whatever color or style t-shirt dress you have. These are all going to be fall outfits for the t-shirt dress. This one's 3/4 sleeve, so I feel like it's perfect for fall. This one was first featured in my Walmart try-on haul, so I'll link that at the very end of the video if you missed it, or if you want to see my Walmart picks again. And I'm wearing a size small, so it has pockets. It's a little bit on the longer side. I'm going to start with a little hack on how to make it look a little more flattering on you if you are a little bit shorter. And I do really like the 3/4 sleeves. So let's get into the outfits. So this little tip is going to be in my fashion hacks part 2, but a little trick I like to do when a dress is just a little too long on me, or if I just want it to be a little more flattering, is to just tie a belt around your waist. There, it will cinch you in at your narrowest part, so you'll look a lot more flattering, but it will also lift the hemline a little bit. So this is probably now 2 inches shorter, give or take. And I definitely like this fit a lot more. If I was not being super casual, this is probably how I would wear it most often. So I just threw on this little belt at my waist and then kind of pulled the fabric up and over just a little bit. If you just pull it and wear it, I feel like it looks a little too, like it will end up looking kind of pulled and awkward. So just pull it just the slightest bit. And then if there's any little wrinkles, you can pull them actually to the back just so they're not all right in the same place. Alright, so if I was wearing this t-shirt dress to work, this is exactly how I would wear it. Just pair it with a cardigan. This one just so happens to be the exact perfect length, but I honestly wouldn't stress about that too much. This one's from Target. You can see it in my Target try-on haul. I kept on that belt. I like how that pulls it in a little more. I feel like it makes it a teeny bit more dressy too. You can have fun with the belt. You could throw on an animal print belt to keep it neutral. Whatever kind of floats your boat there. And then these are just little pointed neutral flats. I picked these up in the Nordstrom anniversary sale. They are still available, and I just really like the color. I feel like they're a really good neutral flat for fall. But this is a really cute work option, so you will be so comfortable wearing a t-shirt dress but still look really cute and put together. So this is a cute way to style the t-shirt dress for early fall when it's still a little too warm to add all those layers to it. Just throw on a hat. That way, again, you don't have too many layers on, but you still are getting into fall. Kept on the belt because I feel like that is the most flattering. And then I threw on this cute little mini bag with the snake print. Mini bags are on trend for fall, but also the animal print too. And I just love the horn detail on the strap. I feel like it looks more expensive than it actually is. And I like the additional print that it adds to the look. And then I threw on those flats again. I feel like these are really good for fall because they're closed-toed, but they pretty much have gone with everything. So I feel like this is a good, cute little early fall. And then you could even keep this on and throw over a cardigan if it cools down. So here it is styled very comfy and casual. I feel like this is like a staple fall outfit. I have on a blanket scarf. This was first seen in my Nordstrom anniversary sale try-on haul. And then this is actually the Amazon dupe. So I'll link both of those videos here if I can. I feel like I might be linking a lot of videos here, so I think there's a limit, but they'll be linked in the description box if not. And I actually have a really good resource showing you guys 15 different ways that you can tie and wear blanket scarves, so I will also link that because it will definitely be helpful coming up with fall and winter, and there's so many different ways that you can use these in your wardrobe. So I did take the belt off just so it was a little like flowier and casual, but you can totally keep that on with this outfit. And then these booties are actually an awesome Target find. I wish I had these for my try-on haul, but they're actually at this time not online, but I'm sure they will be soon. So I'll link the landing page. So when they're up, you guys should be able to find them easily. They are so cute. Let me give you guys a close-up. So they have a very slight perforation in the front, and I feel like they are a really close dupe for the Steve Madden booties I wore a lot last year. The only difference is those have a zipper in the back. These just have an elastic, so you have to kind of slip in, but they are so comfortable. They have like very soft cushion at the bottom. For this next look, what I did is threw over a midi slip skirt on top of the dress. That way now it just looks like it's a top. And a couple things to keep in mind if you are going to achieve this look. First, you don't want to pick a skirt that is too skin tight. Otherwise, it'll, for one, be a little more uncomfortable because you have 2 layers, and also just bunch up a little bit. So you want something with a little room. You also don't want something that's on the lighter side unless it is absolutely not sheer at all. And then the last thing is just keep in mind the length. You don't want a skirt that's obviously going to be too short and you see the dress coming out on the bottom. So this one obviously fits the bill on all of the above, and it's super comfortable. If I did not have a top that I wanted to wear with the skirt and I really wanted to wear like this green color with it, this is how I would do that without going out and buying basically the same top. What do y'all think? I threw on those neutral flats. I feel like this is also another great work option. I feel like you could dress this one up a little bit more if you can wear animal print to work. If not, I'll link a couple other options below as well. I think it's super cute. Alright, so for this next look, I threw over a baggy sweater, and I got this one last year from Loft. It was one of my favorite buys. They typically bring them back every year, so I'm hoping in due time I can link this one for you guys. If they come out with another one, I honestly will probably buy it because this was one of my favorite buys from last year. And also, like, I called it a poncho sweater, and then I had a lot of comments like, that's not a poncho. Why are you calling it a poncho? And that is what Loft called it online. So I was just saying whatever they decided to call it. So I'm still going to call it a poncho sweater. So I'm sorry if that bothers you, but that's what they called it online. So maybe ask Loft if it's getting to you. Anyway, I like this look better with a flowy sweater. So if you wear a normal sweater, what will happen is it will just kind of pull the dress in awkwardly and take the flow away. So I feel like it looks best when you have something a little flowier on top. Also, I did bunch the sleeves up so you could see a little bit of the t-shirt dress coming through, just so it looks a little more layered at the arm. And then to shorten the dress, I did the same little belt trick. Even though you can't see the belt whatsoever, I liked having it a little bit shorter. So I actually just threw a belt on just to really pull it up, and that way it was a little bit shorter with the tall boots. It was fine without that, but I prefer it a little shorter. It was like right at my knee, and I feel like it's a little more flattering, pulled up a little bit. So I paired it with these tall boots. These were from last year. I will link a couple options down below if you're on the market for some neutral tall boots. So if you're over the belt and you're looking for something a little more casual or just something different, you can also knot the bottom of the dress just to make it a little shorter and give it a completely different look. I showed you guys how to do this again in my fashion hacks video, but I essentially just used a clear elastic to make it look like a knot. That way I didn't stretch out. So I feel like this would be a cute look for a football game or a stadium, just because I threw on this clear bag, which is perfect for that these days. This one is from GG New York. I'll link this one and some other options that are more affordable. This one is super nice quality. It's like real leather, very soft, and it also keeps its shape and structure, which I like. And then I paired it with these booties. I've had these for 2 years. They're my absolute most comfortable booty. Like, I've worn these to work, and like my boss actually bought 2 because she loved them so much. They're just so comfortable. So I would be comfortable wearing them to like a game or something like that. So that's why I paired them with this look. Alright, so I think this one is so far my favorite look with the t-shirt dress. I feel like it's just like so cozy and everything I love about fall. So this poncho is a recent Target find. I will have another Target video coming up really soon, and I just think these colors are the perfect pair. There's not green in the poncho, but they're all complementary to this teal color. And I feel like this poncho would go over a lot of different color t-shirt dresses. It has navy, blush, a little bit of maroon or like a wine color. Love the color combination. And this one does have armholes. So, and then I did throw a belt on just because I liked the shorter length of the dress, but I really like how the white and gold dresses up this outfit. feel like it just kind of pulls everything together. Even though this isn't a very expensive belt, I feel like it really makes the look a little more expensive. And then these are some new booties that I just got in, and I really love the shape of these. I feel like they're very flattering on the leg and ankle in general. There's like a good gap on the ankle, so it doesn't cut me off like a lot of booties can. Even though these are slightly taller than some of the booties I've already styled, I feel like it's very flattering, and just the cut of the shoe looks a little bit sexier on the leg, and I really like the height of them. They are slightly higher. They're probably closer to a 3-inch booty, and they have a very almost like sleek, narrow design through the front of the foot, but I feel like that makes them almost look a little sexier than other booties that I have, so I really like this shape and style of booty. So if you wanted to dress up the t-shirt dress just a little bit, I mean, it is still a t-shirt dress, but I feel like this could totally work for church on a day that you just want to be comfortable, or if you can wear this to work, that type of thing. So what I did was pretty much hide the majority of the t-shirt dress. It's just kind of popping out from under this really pretty wrap, which definitely helps dress it up. This is very flattering. It was originally featured in my Loft try-on haul, and I love these colors together. This like camel and teal color, it's really pretty together. And then to dress it up, I feel like it could be dressed down if I wore it with booties or like taller boots. But in order to kind of dress it up, make it a little more like church appropriate, I just paired it with pointed toed nude heels. These are very comfortable. They have a very squishy bottom. This is more of like a mushroom type shade, and they do run true to size. So for this look, what I did was threw over a chunky casual cardigan, and then I belted over top of it just to pull in my waist a little bit. I feel like it dresses it up slightly. You could totally wear it without the belt and make it a little more casual, which I'll show you guys next. This one was from the Nordstrom anniversary sale, but I think it's actually still available, so hopefully I can either find something similar or this one's still available. And then I paired it with a hat, which is my favorite accessory for fall. I've been really loving them lately and buying way too many, so hopefully this is the last hat purchase of the season, but they're definitely the perfect touch to make your outfit feel more complete for fall. And if you haven't seen my hacks to dress for fall, even when it's still hot out, definitely go watch that one after this, because I talk about hats a little more in that video. And then these booties are from Steve Madden. They're very simple, a little more on the taupe side, which goes really well with this belt. And I really like the thick, very light, neutral block teal. Alright, I'll show you guys what it looks like without the belt, just so you can see. It's a lot flowier of a cardigan, so when you get yours in and you're like, what the heck? But I really like that. Like, it looks really cute with leggings and very casual, but the belt definitely dresses it up a little bit more. So just like you can throw something like a skirt over the bottom, you can also throw something over top. Here I have a sweater, but you could also do a long sleeve shirt and just kind of knot it up to give it more shape. If you just kind of leave it hanging, then you kind of lose your shape. So I would definitely knot it or tie it or belt it even. You could even belt it. I'll see how that looks and I'll update you guys after this. But this sweater is actually another Walmart find. I just got it in. It's a little big. I sized up because I wanted it to be roomy, and I feel like I didn't need to size up. It seems like it already has an oversized fit. So love the leopard print, but you could also just throw on a solid, you know, really basic sweater if leopard is not your thing, but I like the print that it added. So I did knot it here, which I'll link my fashion hacks video if you want to see how I do this. This one is a little bit of an oversized knot because, again, the sweater is a little too big on me. So if I got my normal size, it'd be a little less big, but I honestly don't mind it. I feel like it's kind of cute, big chunky knot. So now the dress looks more like a skirt, and this is a great way to add even more versatility into your wardrobe because you could throw over multiple sweaters, long sleeve shirts, even bosses. As long as they cover the sleeves, I feel like it will work. Alright, so here is that same sweater, and I just let it hang down, but I belted it to give me some shape. Definitely does not work without the belt. It's just way too oversized. And then the flowy skirt, it just did not do anything with my figure. So I also think this is really cute as well and gives you a lot of options in your wardrobe. So I hope you enjoyed today's outfit styling the t-shirt dress multiple ways. Definitely let me know your favorite outfit down in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you have not already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.